It's here once again, Costa Maya Festival 2020, 4 days of exceptional entertainment. Welcome our neighbors from Guatemala, Mexico, Honduras, El Salvador, and Costa Rica. Starting it off on Thursday with the selection of Miss Costa Maya. Followed up with the grand opening on Friday, which is attended by government officials, ambassadors, and other dignitaries. Saturday night is known as Noche Internacional, the biggest event of the evening. International stars take center stage for a live performance. On Sunday night, more cultural shows, comedians, and music to end the final day of the festival. Enjoy other activities in between, such as lobster cookout, volleyball, mechanical rides, and an all-night fair. One place, many countries celebrating El Mundo Maya, Costa Maya Festival, only at Ambergris Key, San Pedro.